Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, colleagues.
Good morning.
Yeah, so my name is Kevin Omollo. I'm the chair of Kenya Correspondents Association, the Nyanza chapter. So today we are here to mark World Press Freedom Day. We were supposed to do this on 3rd May. Unfortunately, that was a Saturday, so we were not able to do it. So today we are here as journalists from Kisumu and parts of Nyanza, and we are here to just reflect on the situation of press freedom. And we've had two panel discussions, and from the panel discussions, it's coming out that AI is with us, and we cannot run away from it. If you look at the discussions, the contributions from those who attended, it is true that AI is here. It has benefits, it has the negative sides, but as journalists, we have to come out and make good use of it. And an analogy of the firearm, for example, which came to help us with securing ourselves, you'll still find people who are taking advantage of the firearm to cause insecurity. And that is how AI, which is coming up to help journalists do their work, is coming out to be misused by others. And as journalists, as stakeholders in the field, employers, and ourselves, it is true that we must get out capacity built journalists so that we can help ourselves against the threats that come with AI. Many of us use AI in their work. Many of us have been affected by AI, and we cannot run away from that. How do we respond to some of these threats? That is what makes us strong as journalists. And I'm happy from the discussions, people embracing AI, acknowledging AI as very important, while at the same time pointing out areas that need improvement. I'm happy that some people are already looking at the ethics of it. How do we come out as media houses, as the regulators, to come up with regulatory framework that is going to ensure that we utilize AI for the good of our work, so that going forward, we do not have a situation where we are going to court as journalists because of the work of AI. Also coming up is the realization that press freedom does not stand alone. And I'm glad that some of us are asking, when we talk about press freedom, we want to be free from who? The freedom stems from a number of things that journalists face and media houses, not just the state, but we also have to look at press freedom from ourselves as journalists. So when you talk about payment of journalists, provision of the working environment of journalists, also the aspect of tools of trade as journalists. So the moment you are not free yourself, it may be difficult to ensure press freedom. So individually as journalists, we have to strive to be free. And that is why we are calling upon stakeholders, the development partners, the government, the regulators, and everybody to join hands in ensuring that we have holistic freedom of the media, starting with the welfare, going into the regulatory framework that is friendly, that is allowing us to work, and also the aspect of ensuring that journalists are well trained and capacity built to do their work without any pressure. There's also the aspect of commercial interest, which is fast infiltrating into the media. This is making dangling the carrot of advertisement, and it has seen a number of media houses losing their credibility and losing their independence. So I want to bring my colleague from KJN to say a word.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Indeed, it's a nice day having commemorating this wonderful day of press freedom. As journalist, first I would say, from my name, I'm Josephat Odhiambo. I'm the chairman KJN, and first I would like to urge from our meeting, I would like to urge each and every journalists not to depend so much into this AI. It might be good, yes, it is good, but it has some disadvantages. So kindly let us not sleep somewhere and end up messing up our golden profession. It is very unfortunate that we celebrate this day, but still we have some. It's very unfortunate that our employers are becoming part of the challenges we are facing right away today as journalists. It's very sad. Indeed, it's very sad because journalists go through a lot, and in this profession, journalists don't like speaking more because they don't like demonstrating again and again. They are the fourth estate. They have that respect. So on the same, we deserve that respect. Let us see the respect on our pay slips every month. Let us. We are not even demanding for any salary increment. Our colleagues, as journalists, our colleagues have not been paid for some several months. How do you expect these people to survive? This is even interfering with our ethics, because some of us even end up into temptations with some bribes to do a story. We don't want this to affect our profession, and hereby we are calling for not only the government but each and everyone, including our own employers, to know and understand that we are demanding. Uh, uh, we are not begging at any cost, because this is